Guys, this one feels incredibly soft and effortless the moment you wear it. The fabric is light, smooth, and very breathable on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that looks elegant and well-balanced. Honestly, it's designed to deliver comfort with a refined touch. The waistband sits gently without any tight grip. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for long, easy wear. No irritation, no adjusting, just all-day comfort. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the airy feel of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal, but very thoughtfully done. Nothing flashy, just a clean and modern style. It gives a calm and confident vibe. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It holds its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts smoothly to your body. A great mix of comfort and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep reaching for. A sleek and classy essential that fits right into your routine, guys. It adds a subtle touch of sophistication to your daily wear. Once you try it, it easily becomes a go-to favorite.